Hello, and welcome to day 18 of 21 Days of Presence. We're really moving through it here. The idea behind these 21 Days of Presence is to take 5 or 10 minutes out of our day, whenever we can, to remember who we really are in our greater sense. That all of the things coming and going in our life, but we can claim the peace and presence within of our bigger self, the more true part of ourselves than everything that's going on in the outside world, and gradually, more and more, bring this presence into our everyday life. So let's go ahead and get into it. Just taking a few deep breaths. Feeling yourself come into this now moment. Right here, right now. Enjoying your increased permission for this peace and this presence as you continue to put your attention on this possibility, on this truth, this place, this part of you that's more real than anything that's going on out there in the world. And go ahead and take a few deep breaths. Breathing in air, light, and prana, cleansing and purifying, releasing all of your cares and worries and concerns. And see these just washing away as on an exhale, you put down a root system deep into Mother Earth. And breathing in fresh, clean air, light, this waterfall of peace washing through your field and down your root system to be transformed and transmuted by Mother Earth and her amazing regenerative power, anchoring you in to this now moment. This place of peace and presence that was here before anything out there and will always be here, claiming this right here, right now. And finding yourself walking along deep into the ancient forest, into the jungle, step by step, along a path, a little overgrown, but still you find your way, each step connecting you more deeply with Mother Earth in this place, deep, deep in the forest, where this peace and presence lives, untouched by the energy of humans, all in balance in the moment. And you feel that balance, that equilibrium, this peace and presence with every step as you make your way along the journey, step by step. Slowing, coming into the deep peace of the forest, you begin to hear rushing water. And you make your way towards this water step by step. Although you can't see, but you can hear it. And you follow your way, step by step along your path, along your journey. Finding that equilibrium, the rushing water, louder and louder. And then you see this beautiful waterfall rushing over the rocks, and you're drawn to it. And you find yourself behind this waterfall, feeling the splashes and droplets of water, the negative ions cleansing and purifying. Go ahead and find a comfortable place there on the ground, the moist earth, or the perfect rock, and just arrive under this waterfall of peace, washing over you, cleansing it all away, cleansing away everything you've thought yourself to be and everything everyone's told you you are, and come right back here, connected in this moment with Mother Earth. The rushing water, so loud you cannot think about anything else besides you and the mother and this peace, cleansing and purifying all away, leaving you here in connection, in peace and presence. And just breathe with Mother Earth, with each breath, sinking you deeper and deeper into this presence, deep into your root system. And you are one with all. The water rushing by, but you remain. And just receive this waterfall of peace right here, right now. Breathing together with Mother Earth. Letting it all just wash on by, cleansing and purifying you back to this deep presence, deep nature, Mother Earth. You have arrived. And just receiving this waterfall of peace. Staying here as long as you would like, but when you're ready, go ahead, reminding yourself that this place is here for you to visit at any time throughout your day, to remind yourself, remembering that this is more true than anything going on out there. And when you're ready, go ahead and complete your meditation. Thank you so much for joining me for day 18. 21 days of presence. We're really moving along here, and it's beautiful to feel the field growing of this permission to come deep within, to the place that exists more true than anything else out there in the world. So thank you so much for joining and being present with this journey, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 19, 21 days of presence. Until then, I'm Adrienne Elise. Namaste.